Thank you, Rinpoche. My question is, I practice a visualization meditation. Is it good to switch between breathing different types of meditation, or is it better to stay with one?
Which one you feel more connected normally?
I don't know yet.
You don't know yet. And flip
Both
up
fine.
coin.
I'm sorry?
Flip up coin. Visualization? No. Okay. When you visualize, if you continue to visualize, don't be too tight. Just like be aware of your breath, aware of your body. So as long as you not forget your breath, thought can and come. So can you think of your room now? Clear? How clear? Your room?
Pretty clear.
Pretty clear, everything? So now we're going to meditate with your room for a few seconds. Okay? Don't move. Visualize your room. Cannot think, not allow to have any other thought. Just your room. Okay? How was it?
Hard.
Hard. Yeah. So why second is hard? Because we say, I have to, this is meditation. Cannot think, not allowed to think anything else. Have to focus clear. Become hard. So when you visualize, relax. Just like same as you, when you be aware of your breath, same. No thought. Thought become more. Don't think about apple, okay? Now, for a few seconds, anything else but apple. Cannot think anything else. Only apple. Few seconds. Only apple. No. Forget. No apple, sorry. Not allowed to think of apple, okay? You can think of anything else except apple. So, no apple. Don't forget that you cannot think of apple, okay? How was it? Easy? Difficult? Difficult, hard. So, same thought, emotion, you cannot block. So you don't have to block. Let them come, let them go. But don't forget your breath. So when you visualize, whatever you want to visualize, you can visualize, but thought come and goes.